everyone, I'm Mindy, and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts April 2023 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. Our release for April is a fun, eclectic mix of florals and mixed media. Our classic kit includes a 6x8 stamp set full of elements to mix and match for creating flower clusters, vases filled with blooms, and interesting patterns, either in the background or right on the flowers and vases themselves. Two red rubber cling stamps, and even more pattern options. There are dies to cut out all of the elements, including the messages, and an exclusive washi tape with handwritten script pattern can be added to your design or on your envelopes, and four core ink cubes to round out this version of the kit. The premium kit is everything in the classic kit plus some fun bonus items that coordinate. The star of the upgraded premium kit are the fancy dies to cut out vases, greenery, and blooms. Decorate the vases with the stamps or use the fun doodles stencil included. The final element is a great set of enamel stickers, which match the fun and funky collage theme of this kit release. Now let's take a closer look at the elements in the kit, starting with your backer card that you receive. This is great for jumpstarting your creativity with the inspiration you see there. This is also going to show you what is included in the classic kit and also the contents of the premium kit. The stamp set is a 6x8 stamp set filled with all of the florals and vases, fun elements to decorate your flowers and vases. And there are 20 coordinating dies. So there's a die for all of the images plus the messages. Now, here are some of those images stamped out. These are really good for stamping on top of your vase or just on a background. The sentiments mix together really well. So here we have a separate your that can be you're amazing, you're appreciated, you're timeless, you're a good friend. We have a rare flower, get well soon, thanks a bunch, and forever young. Now, of course, you can use the coloring medium of your choice to color in your vases and flowers and leaves, and then you can customize your vase. You can use these as a focal point on your card or create your own pattern paper background. The two mini background clings included in the kit, one is script and one kind of has this linen texture to it. You can stamp it out on white cardstock or on colored cardstock for a tone on tone look. This is also really great for creating kind of a mixed media background or use it to stamp on top of your vase images and decorate your vase with these as well. We have our four mini ink cubes in Bermuda, Butterbar, Green Apple, and Crimson Core ink. I'm going to swipe them on a piece of white cardstock to show you the beautiful vibrancy of these colors. You can use these for stamping your sentiments and images or for ink blending your images and or backgrounds. Next, we'll take a closer look at the fancy script washi tape, and all of this so far that I'm showing is included in the classic kit. So this washi tape does have a protective seal on it that you will just need to remove, and then you can pull this off just like tape and add this to your backgrounds. So you can see it kind of has that frosted look over your white cardstock, but you can also use it over colored cardstock as well. Now, this is a really thin, so you can just fold that over and it's not going to add any bulk to your projects. Now, into the contents for the premium kit. So, it's going to include everything that we just went through, plus these wonderful enamel stickers in these bright, vibrant colors. And then we have this huge die set included in the premium kit. Now, this is 20 flower and vases dies in the premium kit. You can die cut them from white cardstock, ink blend on them, stamp on them, spray them, or die cut from colored cardstock. And then here you can put together your arrangements. So the possibilities are endless with this die set. You can also use the background stamps included in the classic kit to decorate your vases and add a mixed media touch to it there as well. And last but not least is this 6x6 stencil with all of these fun doodles that you can use to create repeating patterns or add as design elements on your card. Now we'll take a look at some amazing inspiration from the creative team featuring both the classic and premium kit options. We are also having a blog hop celebrating the release, packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are gone and not restocked. Become a subscriber today to guarantee a kit and receive special discounts and free shipping on your kit. Plus, sign up for our Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.